So inside of DaVinci Resolve, when you're editing a lot of different clips together, it can get pretty dang messy. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly clean everything up and make things just look a lot better. So let's get right into it. Now what I'm talking about is removing unused clips inside of DaVinci here. So as you can see, I've got lots of different clips through all of my different folders that just aren't being used. So what you can do is come over here to the top right corner, press on that, and come down here to remove unused clips. So go ahead and click on that and load all timelines. So what that will do is it will search through each timeline inside of the project and look for every single clip that isn't in a timeline. So now, as you can see here, it has cleaned it up quite a bit, so everything that is not in use on one of the timelines has been deleted through all of my different folders there. So if you like this video, or maybe it was helpful, go ahead and click this one next. So I'll see you in the next one.